Alright, so what we're doing here is these are stairs. These are the stairs that are going to go from the main entrance or the main floor of the EcoPod Eco up to the roof. And we have a really cool design that's built into it. It actually has these grooves to make it so it's, it helps with slippage, so it's not slippery. And then we have an Ocean Builder logo right engraved onto the actual piece. So these have all been sanded and polished. They're ready to have the final paint coat that's going to go on top. They're going to look brilliant. Really excited about that. So I think we have, let's see how many we have. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We have 16. Hopefully that's all the ones that we need. Yeah, I think that should be about enough, because that from the base floor entrance level of the pod, where you walk in from water level, up to the main floor was about 15 steps, I believe. So this takes you from the main living floor up to the roof. So 15, 16 stairs should be enough. So yeah, we have to do the finishing, the painting, and then we have to install them. I'm not sure how long the installation is going to take. I know the walls of the interior spar still need to be painted because it looked pretty rough right now. So there's a final coat of paint that needs to go in there. So there's still a lot to do. There's a worrying amount of work to do, but we have probably 45 people working right now to really push this through, and I'm confident we'll do it. It just may be only done in the nick of time. We'll see. We have about 4 more days to go. So let's say Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Yeah, 4 days. Wednesday is our launch day in the city. So we actually still have another day, because we can still have work done here at the factory and to have things ready on Thursday. So we could still have 5 days. Anyway, that's it for this video.